everyone and welcome back to Food Venture Folks. So today we've come to Bade Mian restaurant.
Bade Mian! Hoy, hoy!
So Bade Mian is very well-known restaurant for the kebabs, and I'm very fond of kebabs, and that's what brings me here to this restaurant. So let's start with today's video. Here, the first thing that we've ordered is the mutton seekh kebab, and this one is the chicken seekh kebab. Wow, look at the glaze on top of that mutton seekh kebab. So that's the natural juice, the natural fat of this kebab, and just look at the steam. It's nice and warm. Let's take a first bite. Wow. I'm gonna try the chicken seekh kebab with the पाव. पाव के ऊपर बटर लगाया हुआ है, and it's a nice soft पाव. They've served this with onions, lemon, and a few sprigs of mint leaves. Now let's go for this bite. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video till here. If you have, make sure you hit the hype button, which is just next to the comment section. There are good amount of spices which have gone into this kebab. I could taste some onions as well. Now next we've ordered for this mutton shami kebab. Oh wow, the moment they bought it, it was so aromatic. Oh, the mutton shami kebabs are too delicate. Just look at it. And you hardly have to make any effort to break it. And I'm sure I don't have to make any effort to chew this as well. I could taste the onion, chili, ginger, and some coriander in this. And the mutton is minced mutton. It's like, it's so soft. It just literally melts in your mouth. It's very succulent. Check that mutton shami kebab from inside. And it's actually coated with the egg batter. This is actually tawa fried, and you can see the traces of egg on it. Now let's try the chicken reshmi tangri kebab, and you get 2 pieces in this platter. Wow, look at how the juices have been separated here at the bottom of this plate. Chicken reshmi tangri kebab, as per my knowledge, in general, I thought this is going to be white in color, but here they have a different version of chicken reshmi tangri kebab. This is actually green in color. The base ingredients is that of green chilies and coriander, and there's spinach as well, which goes in this preparation. I got the taste of green chilies and coriander in this, but the green chilies are not at all overpowering. It's very light और काफी subtle है, spicy बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. And if you want something which is less spicy, then definitely you can order this. This chicken reshmi tangri kebab is a nice option if you're coming here. But I feel that the masalas have not gone deep inside till the bone. As you can see here, ये थोड़ा सा, ये मतलब मसाले जो है इसके अंदर तक नहीं गए हैं, लेकिन ऊपर से मसाला उसका जो है वो टेस्टी है और मुझे पसंद आया. लेकिन इसको अच्छे से अगर मैरिनेट किया होता तो शायद इसका टेस्ट थोड़ा ज़्यादा उभर के आता. But otherwise it's a good option. Maybe the next time if you're coming here, you can try the rest of the dishes that we've ordered. The chicken seekh kebab, the mutton seekh kebab, they were amazing. That's the first thing that I enjoyed once I came here. Mutton shami kebab is also a good option to try here if you're coming at this outlet. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video till here. If you have, make sure you hit that like button. next I've ordered for this chicken beda roti. First, let me take a bite. So this is basically tawa fried, and as you all can see here, this coating, what you see outside is that of मैदा. So ये मैदे की रोटी है. उसके अंदर जो आप देख रहे हो, ये है अंडा, ओके okay? और उसके अंदर जो स्टफिंग जाती है वो चिकन मिन्स का स्टफिंग जाता है इसके अंदर. एंड यू कैन सी लॉट्स ऑफ अनियंस, चिकन मिन्स एंड सम स्पाइसेस इन इट. भैया ये क्या बना रहे हैं?
ये रुमाली है.
रुमाली रोटी.
रुमाली रोटी है.
Now next I've ordered for this chicken bhuna. And I'm going to try this chicken bhuna with some butter rumali roti. ये चिकन भुना जो है ये इनका क्लासिक डिश है जो हमने ऑर्डर किया है आज. और इट्स अ बेस ग्रेवी ऑफ अनियंस एंड टमेटोज एज यू कैन सी हियर. And there are chunks of chicken pieces which are added. This is all boneless chicken. The chicken is nicely roasted on a tawa with all the spices. Now next we've ordered for this murg musallam. So on this murg musallam, I can see a good amount of cream floating on top, and then there is boiled egg at the center, which is cut into 4 pieces, and there is fried onions, there is barista on top. Let's try the murg musallam. You get this in quarter, half, and a full portion as well. So this is the half portion. I think it's substantial enough for 3 to 4 people to have this. Now this one is their lachha paratha, and look how soft this is. So I've ordered 2 types of bread. One is this lachha paratha and one is this reshmi paratha. Oh, the reshmi paratha is also very soft. This murg musallam is a very rich and smooth gravy, as you can see here. It's very creamy. Now let's try the mutton bheja fry. इसको रेशमी पराठा के साथ ट्राई करते हैं. और ये जो पराठा है ये गेहूं के आटे से बनाया हुआ पराठा है. तो आप अगर प्रेफर करते हो गेहूं का आटा खाना तो आप इसे ऑर्डर कर सकते हो. Oh, this mutton bheja fry, this is almost like a paneer. It just dissolves in your mouth. You hardly have to make any effort to bite or chew into it. It's wonderful. Next, I'm going to try the mutton dal gosh. So I think there are 2 big pieces of mutton that they've given in this dal gosh. Oh, sorry, there are 3 big pieces of mutton that you get. I'm gonna try this with the jeera rice. Oh, there is star anise here. Oh, the rice is also so soft. इसमें गरम मसाला का हल्का फ्लेवर और हल्का सा अरोमा आ रहा है. और इसके साथ ही साथ इसको एक्चुअली दाल में पकाया हुआ है. So ये जो गोश है इसे दाल में पकाया जाता है. I think it's chana dal and tur dal which is used in this preparation. This is somewhat very close to the Parsi dhansak that we've tried earlier in the various other restaurants. Oh, the mutton is also very moist from inside. Just check that out. There's this piece of mutton with little fat over it, and I'm going to try this now. Very moist, very succulent. Absolutely very good quality of mutton that they've used in this. Love it. So now for dessert, we've ordered the Shahi Tukda. And this one here is the Kunafa. Let's try the Shahi Tukda. Wow. The first bite that I took of Shahi Tukda, it's the pure ghee flavor that I could taste. And they've added saffron as well in this. And there's lots of nuts that you see on top of it. It's supreme and really rich in terms of flavors. Now I'm going to try the kunafa. I've been told that there is cream in this. So let's just dig into this. Oh wow. This one on top, this almost looks like vermicelli and it's very thinly shaved. And the cream that they've put or used inside, this is not very sweet and it's not overpowering this dessert. On the contrary, the Shahi Tukda is a little sweeter than the kunafa. If I have to pick between the two, I will definitely go for this Shahi Tukda. Nice and fresh. I really like this. And one of the desserts that you should try if you're coming here at Bade Mian. Now I'm going to enjoy this dessert here. And I hope you have enjoyed watching today's video. If you have, then do click on like and subscribe to our channel because I keep posting such vlogs. I will see you soon in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.
Hi, my name is Farman. I'm the captain of the Bade Mian restaurant, and we are starting operation from 12:30 in the morning, and we late night till go 4 o'clock in the morning. We have a specialty in kebabs: mutton seekh, chicken seekh kebab, shami kebab, tikkas, veda rotis. If you are looking for main course options, we have a tawa item specialties like bhuna, kulcha, kurta. You can try that.
Thank you.
Welcome, ma'am.